to age of new technology. We present you our solution for Microsoft Embedded Spark competition, QT Box, the educational avatar. Technology is governing every field of our life. Now it's the time to enter into the classroom. QT Box is a two-tier system centric at the teachers and the students end. Here, the teacher has a teacher interface and the students have the students interface. This is the user interface of the teacher, where a new user, a new teacher can register over this system. This is the login form. The teacher can add the login ID and the password to log in to this system. After he logins to the system, the information can be shown. The Note Center shows the notes of various systems deployed in it. Next is the connect to the students. It connects to the student via a wireless module. The notes can be shared and transmitted wirelessly to the user. I will explain you hardware of this system. We have the Zigbee module connected to the laptop or the personal computer of the system. This connects to the serial port of the laptop and the data is transmitted wirelessly. Now we move on to the students and take this thing onto the users. At the user's end, we have this device. This is termed as QT capsule and the teacher device was QT atom. At the student's end, we have the user interface, the student's interface, where a login ID is registered and connected. Here the user or the student can see the notes, this is of the universe, and can also see the pictures in it. Data is received and the picture is shown. This will more conceptualize the training of the students. It is built on VDX6318 Tiny module. It has the serial port in it which connects through the Zigbee module and receives the data that is transmitted by the teacher. This is the future form it will take, and the user can take it to the home and can connect to the online system like Facebook and Twitter. This is the image we have built of Windows CE 7. It shows that it has successfully succeeded and is transmitted to the user device. Now the users.
Our experience with the QT Box is quite fascinating and we wish it will be deployed soon in our classroom.